I'm sorry, what? I'm not using that equipment anymore. Yeah. Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting into another haul for leggings and sports bras, so athleisure. This video is sponsored by CRZ Yoga. However, all opinions are my own. We are going to compare Lululemon to CRZ Yoga. Should you buy a $100 pair of leggings, or is this a really good dupe? We're about to find out, and we're gonna put them to the test. This is the first outfit that I chose. Let's go ahead and get into the leggings. And as you can tell, I'm feeling them because the way they feel, y'all, they call them butter leggings for a reason. Like, I'm not even kidding. They feel so smooth. They feel smooth on the outside, but also on the inside. I feel like the butter type of feel really matches the inside and the outside. So these are pretty high waist. They come right up about here. And this is the back. This one does have pockets. It has pockets on both sides. I'm typically not a pocket girl, but I did get them just so that way you guys could see what they look like. And maybe I might like the pockets, who knows? But I did think they were really cute, and I thought it would be a really good pair of leggings to get, so that way you guys can kind of see the different types that they have. The one thing that I do love about them is that they don't have like the little butt scrunch, but they still give you that slight lift. So that way you can kind of just, you know, still show what you're working with. Some leggings really just compress, but I feel like these leggings are thin. They're not thin in a bad way, they're thin in a more breathable way. This actually feels like I'm wearing nothing, if you ask me. So the ones that I'm wearing right now, these are in the 25-inch. They come right up above my ankle. I am 5'8". With my height, these don't come too far above my ankle, but they are pretty much above my ankle. I typically like the leggings that come a lot lower, but that's fine. I really feel like they're snatching me. Like, I just feel like I look like the woman who wakes up at 6 a.m. and journals. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, onto the top. So the top, I got in a small, just because I don't like getting my correct size, because sometimes whenever I get my correct size with any type of sportswear is a little bit bigger in this area, and I don't like having that extra room. Like, I want it to snatch me. Like, we need to work together. Like, you fit my body, I fit you, okay? So I went ahead and went down a size. Don't know if that was the best idea. It has a built-in bra. Since this is a part of the Butter collection, it is the same material as the leggings. So you're going to get that smooth feel. You're going to get that thin, breathable material, which is amazing. This is the back of the fit, and you can see it has the logo. It's got this kind of like scoop type of neck going on. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to try on the CRZ Yoga leggings first is because I'm not sure how I could compare these to Lululemon if I don't have any. So I bought some. Okay, so I went to the store like right before I filmed this video, and I was like, well, I guess let's get a pair. And I did. $100 for some leggings? Who knew? But they said they last forever, but I don't know. Okay, so these are the Lululemon. I'm gonna try them on, don't worry. I just wanted to show you that these are actually Lululemon, and I'm not duping you guys. Okay, and this is what they look like in the front. So I decided to get black because since I already have the black on, we can just kind of like go through the differences and the similarities. So these are the CRZ Yoga leggings. Okay, y'all, so we're in the Lululemon. Let's evaluate. What's she giving? What's she giving? Here's a little tag. You see Lululemon, okay. Okay, so right off the bat, I feel like the material is the same. I honestly can't tell a difference from what I just had on to now. Like, it's not like a night and day situation. It's kind of like an identical twin situation where like one has their own identity and the other has their identity, but they look very similar, but they have differences to them. But as far as the material goes, 100% the same. Actually, identical twins, 90% the same. One of the differences that I will say is I feel like it kind of hugs here a little bit better. I don't know if that's because with Lululemon, they have different sizes. So you can do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Whereas with CRZ Yoga, you can do small, medium, large, but the small is like sizes 4 to 6 and the medium is 8 to 10. I got the medium and this is a size 6. So like I was saying, I think these just might be too tight for me. And that's probably why they're hugging me a little bit different. I do like the fact that they're kind of like showing her off in the middle. It's not giving booty scrunch, but it's giving like she eating these leggings, okay? If you ask me, these are the same. These are 100% identical twins. Same, but different. I'm gonna stick with the CRZ Yoga because that's affordable and it's technically the same thing. This is what I need. Like, I feel like this is exactly what I need. I just feel like it's obsessive to spend that much on leggings, but hey, if you got it, girl, do it. But if you need a good dupe, CRZ Yoga's got you. Okay, so now that we've made these comparisons, I have 2 other types of leggings, which is still a part of the Butter collection, but they have different designs. And then I also have one more bra that I want to show you guys, which is different from this one, but it's also a part of the collection. So let's get into it. Okay, so this one is a set and I am 100% in love with this. So I know you guys are probably like, how did you change your hair that quick? I had to film this separately just because I got the bra just a little bit later than the rest of the stuff. So here I am filming again, but this set is so cute. I mean, the leggings, and let me scoot back so you guys can see the leggings. I just did some white socks, you know, for the time being, especially like whenever I'm in the gym. I love the bra, but let's start with the leggings first. So I know we've went through the material, how everything feels. I still feel the same way about these leggings, but my only issue with these specific leggings is that I feel like the stitching in the middle is off. So I put one of those little pads, you know, like you have to put the insert just so you don't have a camel toe. So I did that and it still kind of looks lopsided. So I feel like the stitching right here may just be a little off because it's making her just look a little to the left. So she just looks a little off right there, but it's not camel toe, but I feel like it's just giving camel toe and it kind of makes me a little conscientious. But other than that, I love the leggings. I do feel like they're extremely thin, so you need to be careful on the type of underwear that you do wear, especially because this is more of a brighter color. With black, you can't really see it, but with this color, you're probably going to be able to see like any type of underwear indentation, you know what I mean? So yeah, but I love this color on me personally, this little teal. The bra feels amazing. So this is the back of the bra and it does have inserts and then there's this band and I do feel like it does a really good job of snatching me. I feel like the bra is extremely comfortable. I feel like it supports the girls even with the pads. I did wash this and the pads didn't come out. So I love that. I feel like it gives you medium support. I don't feel like it gives you full coverage support, especially if you're trying to do something high impact. I feel like you might be okay, but I feel like this is more of a medium support bra. Y'all, I just love this set. This is like, I'm sorry, what? I'm not using that equipment anymore. Yeah. All right, so now that we've seen this beautiful, beautiful set, we're gonna go ahead and head into the next outfit. So this is a different type of bra. I like to be a little modest in the gym just because sometimes when I'm working without my shirt, it just feels a little bare. Although I think it's nice to work out without my shirt. I love doing that. But sometimes I want to have like modest pieces. And I feel like this is just kind of like I'm still in my bra, but it's covering enough to where I'm not showing too much skin anymore. But I mean, the back details are also just like get into that. So for the bra, same material. It does have a elastic band right here, so it's kind of cinching, and you'll kind of feel that it's hugging you right here. But I was a little concerned with this boob situation. I think one of the pads got dented, so now it looks like my nipple, but I think we can work on that. I think I can just switch out one of the pads. That's it for the bra. I love the fact that it just hugs me right here, and it feels like a long sports bra basically. So I don't feel like it's dragging everything down. I feel like the pads are in the right place. I also feel like this little elastic band is in the right place just to kind of keep everything together. All right, so we're gonna try on one more pair of leggings. I was saving these for last because these ones are so cute. Welcome to our last pair of leggings. These really do mimic one of the pair of leggings that they already have. I also wasn't really a big fan of how high they are right here. I kind of feel like they don't need to be that high in the back. I'm wondering if we can, see, I feel like that would look silly if I kind of just rolled it down a little bit and then it's just kind of like this in the front. If you're not really into high waist, they do have some other pairs of leggings that aren't as high-waisted, but I typically like the high waist because I like it to snatch my midsection. And if I'm wearing a bra, I like to not have too much skin showing. I just wish that it hugged me a little bit tighter here because I feel like they're leggings, but I don't feel like they're compressing me the way that they should. But the color, elite. This is the back. But I feel like this color is the perfect color for like moving into spring. Like she's already got her workout gear ready. The blue and white is absolutely stunning. So now that we've made it to the end of the haul, I'm gonna take you guys to my gym and I'm just going to work out. We're going to see how well these leggings hold up. So typically whenever I pick out leggings, my biggest concerns are camel toe, of course. My other concerns are how is it holding in my sweat? So I typically sweat around this area. I wanna see how dry fit these leggings actually are. And then how well are they going to hold up whenever I'm squatting, just through my workout, and what do they look like after the pump? It will not be long. It's probably gonna be like a minute and a half or 2 minutes. So if you would like to see how well they hold up in the gym, then keep watching.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby.
Okay, so I went ahead and went with the Petrol blue set just because I was feeling her the most. So starting off with my squats, I didn't feel like these were see-through, and I felt like they stayed up during the entire set that I had to do. We got a little arms and camel toe here. After a few reps, I did feel the leggings kind of slipping down a little bit, but I do believe that that's because I don't have my correct size. I probably should have gotten a small. But as the workout went on and as my legs started to sweat and my glutes started to pump, the leggings fit perfectly and I didn't have that issue anymore. Overall, the quality of these pieces were great for my workout. I like the fact that they're affordable. At the end of my workout, I noticed I did have some sweat in the crotch area and in the back of my leggings, but this definitely held me down while I completed my entire workout. All right, queens, thank you so much for sticking around throughout my workout and my haul. Like, you're a real one. Everything in this video will be posted down in the description box below, so you'll have a link. They are affiliate links, so I will make money if you click and if you purchase. So thank you for supporting Black businesses. Also, if you would like to save a little bit of money, use the code PAIGE for some money off of your purchase whenever you purchase on CRZ Yoga. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.